Hi, this is my narrated video for factorial ANOVAs or two-way independent ANOVAs. In order to conduct that test, the first thing we're going to do is go to Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate. I already did this earlier, but the dependent variable will be test score, and then the fixed factors or the independent variables will be name condition and participant sex. For options, you'll choose estimates of effect size, observed power, and homogeneity tests. For post hoc test, you'll do that for name type, and you'll click Bonferroni. For plots, I already put the name type in the horizontal axis and the participant sex in the separate lines. I chose bar chart, and I chose to include error bars. Then you'll hit OK. And then these are my results. So if we look at the test of between subjects effect table, we can see that the main effect of the main name type was not significant. The main effect of the participant sex also was not significant, but there was a significant interaction of name type by participant sex. To look at the individual sexes to determine if which sex had more of a significant effect, we can split the files. So to do that, we'll go to Data, Split File. Group space down will be participant sex. We'll organize output by groups. Hit OK. Then we'll go to Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. So test score will be in the dependent list, and then name condition will be the factor. For options, we'll click Homogeneity of Variance test, click Continue. For post hoc, we'll pick Bonferroni and Games How. And then we'll click OK. So if we look at the multiple comparisons table for females, we can see that there wasn't a significant difference when the females used a female fake name versus a male fake name. There wasn't a significant difference when the females used a female fake name versus their own name, but there was a significant difference when the females used a male fake name versus their own name. So what that tells us is that the female scores were higher when they used their own name versus when they used a male fake name. And then these are my answers to the questions in the handout. First question is, what are the independent variables and how many levels do they have? The independent variables are name type and participant sex. Name type has 3 levels: female fake name, male fake name, and own name. Participant sex has 2 levels, male and female. What is the dependent variable? The dependent variable is the accuracy or the test scores. Describe the assumption of homogeneity of variance. The assumption of homogeneity of variance has been met because the Levine's test was significant. There was not a significant main effect of participant sex on test scores. There was not a significant main effect of name type on test scores. However, there was a significant interaction of name type by participant sex on test scores. And then, do the results support Zhang's findings? No, they do not. Zhang found that when females used a different name, they had higher test scores than when they used their own name. However, the results from the test that I conducted show that when females actually use their own name, they have higher test scores than when they use a different name.